Okay, here is our new layout. I want to figure out the door. We've moved it, but originally we had the door at 89.5 inches from this corner. So currently the door starts right here. So we've moved, if this X is the current left side of the door, we've moved it down to the right about 60 inches. So say 5 feet, we've scooted it down. Pantry cabinet, 30-inch range, 36-inch hood above it, spice pull-out, tray divider for cookie sheets, the blind corner cabinet that opens up, and there's drawers in here. Your sink cabinet, drawer stack, dishwasher, 3-drawer stack, refrigerator, and this left side would be the shaker panel as well. The island is 6 feet, 2 cabinets, or 4 feet across, back to back, 2 cabinets back to back, and microwave in the island, 3-drawer stack, trash. So we would need to put electrical in the island, but I don't see that as being a big deal to do. But this is our layout. Of course, this is to size and scale the window. This represents the edge of your window. So this left side of the fridge ends 4 inches away. We're taking the soffit out, going to 8 feet for the ceiling height. So let me know what you think of that.